guys. I was just headed out for spring break, but I wanted to check in really fast first. So I guess I can just put this stuff down super quick. I'll get back to you, lawn chair. There's a couple of things that I wanted to go over with respect to the AP exam that I realized I had never put out there in print. So let's take care of that first before we head off to spring break. So just let's arm you with some information. So let's get this PowerPoint pulled up. Just some fun facts about this year's new AP exam, at home, super fun. And so here are some fun informational pieces for us to go over. So really quick here. So here's some information about the AP Calc exam for this year, 2020. Right? So fun. So one of the coolest things, guys, is that we are going to be taking this exam from home, okay? That is both exciting and challenging at the same time. You are going to be able to take this from any device, a desktop computer, your laptop, a tablet, your phone, especially if you're going to take a picture of your handwritten work, which is totally what we're going to do. Yeah, for sure, for math class. You might be doing something different in your other APs. Our test is going to be on Tuesday, May 12th at exactly 11 a.m. Every student in the entire world is taking this this AP exam at the exact same time. Crazy. We are going to be doing two FRQ questions. There is no multiple choice whatsoever. These FRQ questions are going to be similar to ones that have been issued in previous years. However, one of them I think is going to be a little bit more extended than the other ones, maybe encompassing a couple of more topics. Yeah, pretty cool. It's going to be a 45-minute exam. They're going to give you 25 minutes for the first FRQ, and then you have 5 minutes to upload your answer. And then you're going to have 15 minutes for the second FRQ, and then you're going to have another 5 minutes to upload your answer, and then that is it. Okay, there's going to be a timer on the screen when you access the question, and if you don't upload it in time, literally 1 second late, they will not score it. Folks, they are really strict about this time thing, but alas, do not freak out. There will be opportunities for us to practice that College Board is going to put out. It's just not ready yet. They're just, they're working from home too. It's pretty exciting. Technically, guys, this is open book and open notes. So what you have to be careful of about that, though, is that you can't be wasting your time. You only have 25 minutes to take the question in 15 minutes. You can't be scrambling and trying to learn something for the first time. That would be a hot mess for your brain. So you have got to watch your time, okay? This whole open note, open book thing is basically just to clarify something, but really not for any sort of initial learning or initial investigating. The questions are written so that if you, excuse me, if you Google something or look something up in the textbook, it's really not going to help you. Okay, it's more about applying our content. It's not something that you could that you really could cheat on. And College Board's pretty smart, so they're going to make sure, right, that you're just applying your knowledge. You're not going to be able to consult with others either. That will be a giant no-no. Okay. You're not going to be able to be on social media. You're not going to be able to chat with others. No Snapchat, no anything. You're not going to be able to, FaceTime anybody. It's just going to be you taking the test, okay? You're going to be taking this through a secure browser. And there's certain protocols that we are not apprised to, right? To detect cheating, and they're going to keep that secret and close to them, and so that they we're not going to be able to circumvent those things. There are severe consequences if you cheat. They will inform every college, even if you're, quote, even planning to cheat. If you are a senior, they will inform your college that you're going to. If you are not a senior, they will inform every school that you send any score to. So this is super serious. So I want you to be thinking integrity and honesty and all those things that I know you guys are capable of. This is an interesting thing that is happening for the first time this year. I'm super excited. I'm going to receive a copy of your work with a rubric by May 26th to confirm that your work is your own work. Okay. And if I see something completely out of the norm or anything weird, that's going to be a bad thing. Okay. For this year, typically for the AB exam, there's going to be, there's usually an AB subscore, but not this year. So the AB subscore is not going to happen this year. And so what this means is if you actually, and I really hope that this applies to no one, but they are offering that if you feel like you would do better just by doing the AB exam as opposed to the BC exam, you have to let me know this ASAP, me personally. You need to reach out to me and let me know this. There is a deadline for this. Now, guys, I really don't think that this applies to anybody. You guys are all super, super, super prepared, right? Like, this is how we feel. Yeah, we do. We're ready, and we're going to be ready to take this BC exam. And I mean, you did sit through this whole year in my class. So, but however, everybody's circumstances are different. So if you need to make a change, you need to reach out to me like ASAP. Okay. And if you also feel that you can't take either of them, then there is also a window for that. And I also need to know that ASAP. I hope that applies to no one, though. This deadline has to be happening no later than April 17th, folks. I need to have that information. So you need to get on that ASAP. If not, I'm assuming you're taking the test like you're supposed to and that you are all set up to do. Yeah, baby. All of us taking that AP exam in our cute shirts, which, by the way, we ordered. You guys are going to be so excited. They're so cute. They're so cute. Okay. Colleges are communicating that they're still going to give the same credit that they have given in previous years. I got my basketball back that we just shot over the fence about an hour ago. Whoopsies. Thank you. And so they're going to give you the same credit that they did in previous years. So do not be worried about colleges not accepting this. They are all understanding the boat that we are all in. So everything is going to be like above board. College Board is going to put out certain simulations that we can practice accessing the exam and doing our secure browser and practicing uploading the answers. I know. I'm super excited. So as soon as that comes out, we will be on that and we will be practicing. Yeah, we are. Okay. So we're going to be all over that, baby. And then something that you probably should know, but maybe you don't. College Board has a YouTube channel. It's called Advanced Placement, and they are putting out content and review things all the time, actually even daily for all of the AP exams that they offer. Currently, right now, they are doing content on Unit 9 and Unit 10 because they wanted to make sure that in case certain schools were not able to teach that material, that the students were still able to access it. But very soon they're going to start doing review content. They record them. You can watch them live or you can just access them at any time. So I'll start pushing those out just as soon as they're done, and we'll show you guys what College Board has to offer, right? Super exciting. Thank you, College Board. Thank you. Okay, so that is about it, ladies and gentlemen. So I just wanted to send you out with that information, just right before spring break so that everybody felt like they were informed and ready to rock. And so hopefully you're going to have a restful spring break. We decided to do no homework over spring break, right? Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. So exciting. However, there are some of you, and I'm going to put this one on, that need to do some makeup work. And so this is a good time to get yourself back on track, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we're going to be ready. We're going to hit it hard after spring break. You guys know that we are going to have a final after spring break on that first Friday, which is going to be the 24th. Okay, so on Friday the 24th, we're going to do a final and just reviewing the concepts. So more information on that to follow as it gets closer. So I think that's it, guys. I got spring break to get to. So I'm going to say adieu. I will see you guys later and adios. Bye.